to work abroad.
What? Why are you going to abroad? Are you going to find a foreigner?
To work for our daughter. To have a better future.
Is my support not enough?
It is enough for now, but how about our future?
Really? For our future? Or you want to go abroad to find a wealthy man?
Is that why you think about me? You think so lowly of me?
Where are you going?
The agency already called me.
Hindi ka daw. Baka...
Oy, Brad! Pare, nandito ka na pare, oh. Nandito mo na pare. Pucha pare.
Pa, sigutom na ko.
Baka anyway?
Uy pa!
Kasi ngayon natin yung London Campillanes. Ano naman sir? Narami tuyo. Oh, tara sir, oh. Noni si Campillanes. Ikaw si Janel Campillanes.
Oo ko, sir.
Nani walang kapares ni mo. Mga ni mong right. Mag-right, remain silent. Anything you can say can and will be used you against you in a court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you can afford, one will pray to sue you. Sir, wala mo sir.
Ano ba, sir?
Someone reported that you are abusing your stepdaughter. Is it true?
Ang samlay mo daw na. Ang saka?
Si Papa ay di kulata ko kay nahubog.
No, it's not true.
Her father gave some evidence of your crime. Are you still gonna deny it?
Yes.
Court.
More afternoon. Here's the lines and evidence we have got.
What is the crime he committed?
Child abuse.
Did you get hurt while apprehended?
No other.
Did you read the Miranda rights?
Yes, attorney.
From what I see in the evidence, there is a probable cause to elevate a case to the court.
decision of the Carnival Court, Mr. Jacqueline Capellanes did then under willful, unlawful, and calumniously, and for no apparent reason, physically maltreat the daughter of the complainant, a minor of about 12 years of age, by slapping, punching, and hitting her with a broomstick, thus place her in an embarrassing and shameful situation in the eyes of the public, contrary to Article 6, Section 10, Republic Act 7610.
Mr. Capellanes, do you agree with the charges?
No, Your Honor, I'm not guilty.
Thank you. The court notes your plea of not guilty. We will proceed with scheduling future hearings. Your case will be set for pre-trial on May 1, 2024.
People of the court, all rise.
The court is now in session. Please be seated and come to order.
This is the case of Jacqueline Capellanes against people of the Philippines.
Any opening statement?
Yes, Your Honor. On the day of April 24, 2024, Mr. Capellanes slapped Nika Ceballos in front of other people. And when he got home in the afternoon, he abused his stepdaughter.
Does the attorney of Mr. Capellanes has an opening statement?
Yes, Your Honor. My client, Mr. Capellanes, was influenced of alcohol that day abused his stepdaughter.
I want to present the witness, Your Honor. Please. Gian, please come forward.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Gian L. Tiron,
Swear to tell the truth,
swear to tell the truth,
the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
the whole truth, but nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Mr. Gian, tell us the incident you observed. Your witness.
We were having fun drinking and Nika came asking a food to his stepfather and John gave Nika without hesitation.
Objection, Your Honor.
My client is not his right mind that day because he was under influence of alcohol and he was broken because his wife left him abroad.
I want to present an evidence, Your Honor.
Wherefore, the petition is partially granted. The May 5, 2024 decision of the Court of Appeal in CAGR No. 35518 is affirmed with the petition that petitioner, Mr. Capellanes, is guilty beyond reasonable doubt of 2 counts of the crime of slight physical injuries under paragraph 1, article 266 of revised penal code. He is sentenced to suffer the penalty of 20 days of arrest minor for each count and to pay the amount of 5,000 each as moral damage for each count, with the legal interest of the rate of 6% until full payment. So ordered.
this is finally over.
Ang pinang.